Christina Ricci, a name synonymous with dark, unforgettable characters.
She wasn't just another child star, she was an icon from the start. At 10, she debuted in Mermaids. Then she became the legendary Wednesday Addams. Roles in Casper and Now and Then defined a generation.
But unlike many, she never faded. Ricci transitioned into complex adult roles. She chose challenging films like Sleepy Hollow and Monster. Her talent continued to shine on television, from Yellowjackets to her return in the Wednesday series. Christina Ricci never left.
She just kept evolving.